Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes podcast from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. This is your host Shivangi Sarda, and today we have a distinguished guest joining me for our special episode where we decode the budget and give you cues for which space to watch out. Joining us is Mr. Chandan Taparia, Head of Technical and Derivatives at Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hello sir, thank you for joining.
Thank you, Shivangi. The much-awaited event is now out, and it turns out to be a good and a focused one for long-term growth of the nation. However, it might give some hiccup in short-term sentiment. We believe that this will give acceleration in economic growth, and the government is focused on manufacturing, rural and urban development.
Definitely, sir. Investors also had a lot of expectation and eyes were on the stock market announcements as well. Now, new slabs for the new tax regime and the increase in standard deduction will also have an impact on the stock market. Long-term gains tax have increased from 10% to 12.5%, and short-term capital gains tax have increased from 15% to 20%. What's your take on this?
So yes, as per the announcement, new tax regime are now no tax till 3 lakhs income, and standard deduction increase from 50,000 to rupees 75,000 might give some relief, but increase in capital gain tax might give some short-term concern to equity market. However, we believe that market will absorb, and again, the major trend could remain intact going forward.
Of course, so with some sort of a short-term pain, we have the long-term intact. But what's your take on the revised STT on futures and options?
STT on future and options has increased, which might give some concerns, but is not going to impact in a big manner.
All right. Talking about the overall market, India VIX, that is the volatility index, has been muted for most part of the series, despite the fact that we are entering into an event month. Now, markets have also cheered at lifetime high zones earlier in this series. So, what take on this combination, and what is your outlook for the August month henceforth?
The volatility index, India VIX, has been moving in a range in between 12 to 16 zone from last 27 trading session. Post the event, volatility fell down by more than 10%, which clearly indicates that overall bullish bias could continue in the market. As per the derivatives data and price setup, we believe that Nifty has to continue to hold above 23,750, 24,000 zone for an up move towards 24,500 and then 25,000 marks. Whereas supports are placed at 23,500 and 23,200 zone. So if I sum up the entire market setup, overall positive to range bound bias with buy on decline could continue going forward.
That's an excellent take on the budget and its consequences on the market. But our much awaited sectors and stocks to watch out. Of course, the budget focused on some pockets. So now for our listeners, what are the sectors to watch out?
So we will continue to be with buy on decline stance in the broader market. Sector to watch out, consumption. You can look at the counter like Godrej Consumer Product, Tata Consumer, Dabur, Hindustan Unilever. You can look at the auto name, TVS Motor, Hero Moto, Escorts. Positive on the cement counters like Grasim, SAC, Ultratech, Ramco Cement. Real estate could be on radar. Counter like Gobira Realty and Godrej Property could be on focus. Last but not least, the lower custom duty on gold and silver may give the positive impact on the gems and jewelry counter. So one can keep stock like Titan, Kalyan Jewelers and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for these incredible insights. Looking forward to host you soon. Well, this is it for this special episode. And do share it with your friends and family for this incredible synopsis of the budget in the stock market. Wish you a super series ahead, and don't forget to follow this podcast for your daily morning dose of the market. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.